In this tutorial, we're going to examine how to insert or link to documents within a web page on the RM of Gull Lake website. So a perfect example of this would be meeting minutes. We're going to upload these as PDFs. PDFs are always preferable because no one can edit them or change them, and anyone who has Adobe Reader or some equivalent can read them. So our first task is going to be to go to our meeting minutes page for 2011. We're going to edit that page. Now the whole process here is very similar to the process for inserting images. Here's our text for the January meeting. We want to create a link to that, so we're going to highlight it and we're going to click on the link button. That's going to bring us to a page, or rather a dialog box very similar to the one for images. So we're going to browse the server in this case. Again, it's a two-step process because this isn't yet on the server. Now we want to start organizing some of our stuff here, so we're going to put this in a folder called Minutes. And of course we're going to upload. We're going to choose the file. Same process as for images. We're going to go to the desktop because that's where I put a dummy page or a dummy document. So it's this meeting minutes PDF here. We're going to click on open, and we're going to click on upload. In this case, the idea of creating a thumbnail is really not necessary. So we're just going to upload that. And now we can close this little dialog. There it is. So we can double click on it. Now, the only other thing to do, our link is created here, would be to go to Target. And I usually like to set this to a new window. So when they open up that document, it opens up as a new window, which they can close without interrupting their browsing. So we click OK. And our link is created. So we just save that page now. Now we can test out that link. It's going to load our document. In this case, it's opened it up in Google Docs for me because that's a default that I've set, but it would open it up in Adobe Reader if that's what you had set on your computer. There it is. There's our meeting minutes, our PDF file loaded in a new page. So that's all there is really to uploading files and linking to them within the RM of Gull Lake website.